Hello everybody. So in this video I'll show you how can you find or replace a word from your Google Doc. So this is my Google Doc and you can see I have this sentence and I want to replace the word Catholic, and you can see it appeared several times. So let's see how can we do this. So to do this, go to edit option, and from here you can see the option find and replace. You can also use the hotkey Ctrl plus H. So Control plus H. If I do that, you can see there is a box appear, and the first option is find. So what do you want to find? You can find the word Catholic, and you can see it appeared 6 times, 1 out of 6. It focused on the first one. You can see this is the green one. It's bold green, and you can see the light green. So that means this one is selected already, and you want to replace with what do you want to replace with? Let's say Christian. All right, if I do that, you have two options: replace or replace all. So you know what's going to happen if you replace all the 6 words will be replaced with Christian. If you click only replace once, that means you will replace only the first word Catholic. So let's replace all. If you do that, you can now cross this, and then you can see everything is now Christian. So you just change replace all the words. So let me show you another option. So you can also do things like, so here is the thing. So you can see there is another option, match case. So how that works? So let's say let's copy this, okay, and let's try to use the word option match case. So let's say I want to replace the word Christian, okay, but let's use lowercase. If you do that and you click match case, that means it's not going to detect the word because Christian C is uppercase and you're saying match case. That means it's not matching the case. That means you cannot find the word if you don't use uppercase C. So don't use this box if you're case sensitive. Don't do that. So if you now do that, because if it's still it's lowercase, still is find it because you didn't click match case. So you can use that option as well. There is another option, match using regular expressions. So that's an advanced option. You don't need to use that too often. So I'll show you that in another video. So thanks for watching the video. I'll see you next time. Bye.